What's up everyone? If you're new to my channel, my name is Meghna. What was that? If you're new to my channel, my name is Meghna and that's it. I post lifestyle content. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Wow, that was like the worst intro.
What a wonderful world.
Today's vlog, I just wanted to share something that I got recently, which I'm super stoked about. Like, I can't even explain it. If you remember a couple of vlogs ago, I shared this in the video. I think I will keep it a secret as to what I'm planning to order. Guys, I wish I could say it out loud now. But yeah, you guys have to wait for it. When I do receive the things, I will definitely do a haul. And finally, I received it from YouTube the day before yesterday. And without any further ado, drum roll please. Okay, continuing the drum roll sound effect, I have to move my hand to show you what I got. Ta-da! Like, can you believe that's a freaking iMac? Okay. Calming down a bit, taking a deep breath. I got the brand new 21-inch iMac with Retina 4K display from YouTube as a part of the YouTube Next Up class of 2020. I feel so blessed. As I mentioned day before yesterday's when I received it, my brother went down and collected the package. I actually vlogged the unboxing, so cue that. Oh my god! Oh my god! What?
Finally, it is here.
Oh, the
Keyboard.
keyboard. This is it. Oh, shucks. Wow. Oh, mouse इधर ही है. इतना lightweight है.
So, how do you feel, Meghna?
Amazing. Shucks, I can't believe it.
It looks damn good.
Wow. Thank you, YouTube. So y'all can see my excitement. It's peak level. I'm not sure if I've ever been this excited for anything in any of my videos before. So please understand, it's a huge thing for me. My life as a content creator really revolves around a computer. Before getting the iMac, I was using the Asus laptop. This is actually very powerful, super amazing. But I just really wanted an iMac since a long time. I will be using this simultaneously because this is my laptop. This is the only portable computer I have. But otherwise, majority, of course, I'm just going to use my desktop computer. I've never owned or even used a Mac before. So I'm still getting used to the entire interface. It's so different from Windows. And so this is how my computer looks. I will put the exact model in the description box. I doubt it's available right now on Amazon, but I'll anyways link it so you know which exact model I'm talking about. I'm in love with the wallpaper. It says love yourself. Beautiful message. And if you don't know this already, I'm a big BTS fan, so this is also their song. The Magic Keyboard, it doesn't have any wires whatsoever. And I also have my Magic Mouse here. Again, no wires. Beautiful mouse. I of course need to get a mouse pad. I'm actually learning how to use iMovie. If you're wondering, I edit all my videos in Sony Vegas. iMovie is actually relatively simple. I was just trying to edit this unboxing clip that you guys just saw, and of course the size of the screen is like a huge jump from my 14-inch laptop, so it'll be much easier to edit. Other than the display, what I've been really blown away by is the speaker.
12 seconds later.
I just realized that for probably the first half of the vlog, I've just been blabbering about this, and I don't want it to seem like I'm being very brattish and arrogant and like, "Ugh, I have an iMac." No, I'm genuinely that excited and nerding about this, and I just want to really openly fangirl and share this excitement and happiness with my Meg fam. Also, here's another fun thing that I can't believe happened. I really believe in the law of attraction and all of that. So you all know that I use the Ink Bucket planner. I think I've spoken enough about this in my vision board. Just check out this picture. I'll put it on the screen so you can see it properly. And let me know if you notice one small detail. I actually forgot that I had put this picture in my vision board. And once I got it and I was like playing around with it, this entire picture, like what you see on screen, I was like, wow, wasn't this like my ideal office setting? And then I opened my vision board and I'm like, I can't believe there's a study picture with an iMac, and I did visualize it initially and now it's literally sitting on my table. But yeah, this just makes this all the more special, and I'm so grateful to all of you. I'm so grateful to YouTube. And before I forget, I have named my computer like I name all my gadgets. It's a very cheesy thing to do, but I tend to name my gadgets according to the phase of life I'm in. So my current phone is actually called MJ, which is Michael Jackson, because I bought my phone when the Michael Jackson musical was going on and I was choreographing and dancing for it, and I also broke my leg, but that's beside the point. So keeping that in mind, I've decided to call her Bubble. Comment down below if you know why. Anyways, I thought I'll also share the other equipments that I recently purchased from Amazon. These are not from YouTube, because of course this took up the entire 1,40,000 ka voucher which YouTube Next Up gives all the winners. But I did end up purchasing other gadgets and equipment to upgrade my channel. These were all suggested to me by my mentor from YouTube Next Up. One of the things that I got are these reflectors. I will link everything that I find in the description box so you can check for the exact model name or pricing or whatever if you're interested. These are basically like reflectors, and they're going to open into a huge size. You will see. Oh my god, okay. Yeah, so this is one silver side, they have a black side. I can zip this open. There's also a diffuser, there's also a white one, and there's also a gold one. It's a pretty fancy, huge thing which is really hard to control, as you guys can see. I'm still yet to use it because you can see I'm pretty much a noob when it comes to all of this. So in our YouTube Next Up production classes, we will be learning how to use all of this properly. Of course, I didn't just get a reflector, I also ended up getting studio lights. Is how my new light looks like. It's the Godox SL60 watts. This one LED light, it's super bright. There's also a separate light stand that I had to get to prop up the Godox Studio light. And talking about lights, I of course had to get a softbox as well, otherwise the light would be too harsh on my face. Another thing that I bought is this 4 TB Seagate hard disk. It's pretty huge and bulky for like a hard disk. This is also really fast, and you can even charge your phone here. I thought my iMac has only 1 TB space, and as a creator you will always need more space. Other than all of this, I also had to purchase a UPS for my iMac, which is down there. That's going to definitely save my work whenever the power goes off. Oh, another thing I got is actually being used right now, so I'll just show you a clip of it. It's basically the Rode mic. The audio you hear right now is from my Rode mic. If you watched my previous videos, you would have noticed how I always used to have a collar mic, and I still use that sometimes. I could go on about mics and sounds and lights and everything. I might just bore you guys. So let me know if you would be interested in knowing all the equipments that I use. Not just the ones I purchased recently, but just in general, all the equipments that I would recommend for a YouTuber or a content creator. And yeah, I think it might help some of you. So yeah, I will anyways link down everything in the description box. If you're interested, you can check it out. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. Again, I really don't want you guys to get the wrong idea that I'm just like boasting. I'm not. I'm genuinely shook that I have an iMac. I remember telling my mom that I feel like I'm using someone else's computer because it just doesn't feel real to me. But yeah, I'm trying to embrace it, trying to get used to it, hopefully learn more editing tools and make my videos better using all these equipment. So I'm really excited for all of that. If you like my channel, enjoy watching videos and enjoyed watching this video, then please do give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. With that, we come to an end of this video. I freaking love all of you. Stay happy, stay blessed, and I completely ruined it. Stay positive, stay happy, and stay blessed.
What a wonderful world.